Center Carga was established in September 10, 1997 through the effort of the late Senator Honorable Robert Zabala Barbers, who was then the Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government. The center is situated in 2 hectares of Barangay Itata, named after his grandfather, George P. Barbers. The Police Regional Trade Center Carga was inaugurated last January 21, 1998 and became operational in November of the same year, under the leadership of Police Captain Augusto Cervera Ilizander. This training center caters training and education to all members of the Philippine National Police in this region, which comprises the provinces of Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, Dinagat Island, Siargao Island, and cities of Butuan, Surigao, Bislig, Baylugan, Cabarbaran, and Tandang. At present, this center is effectively and efficiently manned and managed by 53 training and administrative staff headed by the Chief Training Center Caravan, Police Colonel Excel Yanya Banal. Ladies and gentlemen, the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course Batch 2023-01 Mabagsik E Battalion Formation. You have just heard the sound of the adjutant's call, which signals the start of the parade. In this manner, called the adjutant's truck, the adjutant positioned himself between the line of the troops and the battalion commander.
Asa masid. Masid. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
The adjutant designates the Alpha Company as the base company. Therefore, other companies align with it.
Bisa kau sih kami. Kita harus apa? Sihat mo ka doon. Awi. Bridge mo na ito.
Malagi kasi matundok po.
Rest out. Wala kang rest.
Alam mo, sumisan dito. Kasi Jesus niya da. Memang da.
The adjutant directs the guide of their respective platoons to take their post. Now, the adjutant will direct the troops to execute parade dress for the sound of the band. Ladies and gentlemen, we can hear the Philippine Constabulary March by Philippine Constabulary Band. The Philippine Constabulary Band was the principal military band of the Philippine Constabulary and later as the Philippine Army Orchestra of the Army of the Commonwealth of the Philippines. The Philippine Constabulary Band was formed on the orders of Brigadier Brigadier General Henry C. Allen, the first chief of the Philippine Constabulary. Inaugurated on October 15, 1992, the Philippine Constabulary Band accompanied the Constabulary in all its civil and official functions. Although utilized mainly for official functions, it held the administration of musical work. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Police originated from the Philippine Constabulary or the PC, which was inaugurated on August 8, 1901. On August 8, 1975, Presidential Decree Number 765 was issued, establishing the Philippine Constabulary Integrated National Police or the PCINP as the country's national police force. After the People's Revolution in 1986, a new constitution was promulgated providing for a police force which is national in scope and civilian in character. Consequently, Republic Act No. 6975 entitled An Act Establishing the Philippine National Police under a reorganized Department of the Interior and Local Government was signed into law on December 13, 1990, which took effect on January 1, 1991. Subsequently, the PNP was operational on January 29, 1991, whose members were formerly the PC and the INP, and the absorption of the selected members from the major service units of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Thus, to further strengthen the PNP into a highly efficient and competent police force, Republic Act No. 8551 entitled PNP Reform and the Reorganized Act of 1998 was enacted on February 17, 1998, amending certain provisions of Republic Act No. 6975. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine Constabulary March by the Philippine Constabulary Band. Now, the adjutant will direct the troops to return to proper attention. And then, to present arms. May I request everyone to please stand for the mass singing of the Philippine National Anthem.